Okay, so now we are going to actually understand how map transformation works, or how we can write map transformation, and how we can use map transformation in our code, right? So as I have already told, that map transformation or map just applies a simple one-to-one mapping function over each element in the collection, right? So let's take an example. First, we are going to import Apache Beam, and if you're a new user, then you need to actually install pip install Apache Beam for the GCP in your terminal, right? After then, we what we are doing here is we are creating a class and naming it as custom dofn, and then we are defining a function, naming it process, and then returning the upper value, right? After that, we have actually created a main function where we have actually created a pipeline using this line. After this, we have actually created a small p collection containing apple, banana, and cherry. Now, p collection, as you all know, that it's just a collection of the data, or you can say the data set, right, which we are going to use. Then we have compared two types of transformation: the map transformation and the Pardue transformation. Pardue transformation is actually used for applying the function to the elements, but map data transformation or map transformation is actually used for applying the function to to each and every element, right? Now, how we can take this as an example, like you can see here the output, right? We have and we have the p collection as apple, banana, and cherry. So what the function map transformation is doing is, when we are we are writing lambda x dot capitalize, this map transformation is actually mapping this function, the capitalize function, to each and every element of the p collection, which means this map transformation is like mapping this capitalize function to first apple, then banana, and then cherry. After doing this, the output it is printing is as apple, with all the letters of the apple or the string as capital, banana, and cherry, right? But what Pardue function is doing, this Pardue function is calling custom dofn function, which we have created here. Here we have written element dot upper, but it is only applying this upper or capitalized thing to the first letter of the string. I hope this is clear what map function is. It is just a one-to-one mapping function over each element in the collection.